Antibodies. Antibodies are referred as immunoglobulins, which are glycoproteins produced by transformed B cells or plasma cells. When B cells come in contact with the antigen, they exhibit high specificity in their action. Antibodies in the antiserum bind the infectious agent or antigen. The immune system then recognizes foreign agents bound to the antibodies and triggers a more robust immune response. Antisera are used to determine which antigens are on the red cells. The test using antisera and the patient red cells is called the front cell group. The antisera used in the front group are obtained from plasmapheresis of donors stimulated with a soluble antigen, a substance from pig mucosa and B substance from the horse mucosa. Alternatively, monoclonal antisera can be prepared from the cultured cells. General structure of antibody or immunoglobulin. The immunoglobulin contains the following structural part, that is FAB region, that is a antigen binding fragment, FC region, fragment of crystallization, and a heavy chain, major chain, which are alpha, beta, gamma, mu and epsilon. Light chain, one variable chain and one constant domain. Variable domain is designated with a VL and constant domain designated with a CL. FV region with a paratope. Hinge regions gives flexibility and rotation of regions. So, antibodies exhibit some kind of specificity and affinity. Affinity is a measure of dynamic equilibrium between the antibody and antigen. Avidity refers to the accumulated strength of multiple affinities of individual non-covalent binding interactions, such as between a protein receptor and its ligand, and is commonly referred to as functional affinity. Affinity and avidity. Avidity is distinct from affinity, which describes the strength of a single interaction. However, because individual binding events increases the likelihood of other interactions to occur, avidity should not be thought as the mere sum of the constituent of affinities, but as combined effect of all affinities participating in the biomolecular interactions. Paratope. Paratope is also called as antigen binding site, is a part of antibody which recognizes and binds to an antigen. It is a small region of 5 to 10 amino acids of antibody, that is a FB region, a part of fragment antigen binding site of FAB, that is a FV region, and contains parts of the antibody and light chain. Each arm of the Y shape of antibody monomer is tipped with a paratope, which is a set of complementary determining regions, which are called as CDR spots or hot spots. The part of the antigen to which the paratope binds is called an epitope. This can be mimicked by mimotope. Antigenic stimuli. The antibodies in the ABO system are mainly naturally occurring, that is, they are non-red cells stimulated. They can also be called regularly occurring because if an antigen is missing, the corresponding antibody is always present.